Looking for the best ladder to meet your work needs in 2025? Whether you're a professional contractor, DIY enthusiast, or someone who works at heights regularly, choosing the right ladder is crucial for safety, efficiency, and durability. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the top-rated ladders for various work environments, highlighting their features, pros, and cons. What you'll learn in this video includes types of ladders such as step ladders, extension ladders, platform ladders, telescoping ladders, and more. Find out which one suits your job. Key features to consider include weight rating, material like aluminum, fiberglass, or wood, portability, and height options. We'll also share our expert recommendations for the best ladders on the market in 2025, including budget-friendly and premium options. Additionally, we'll cover safety tips on how to use ladders safely and avoid common workplace accidents, as well as industry standards like OSHA and ANSI guidelines to ensure compliance and maximum protection. By the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to invest in a ladder that's safe, reliable, and perfect for your specific work requirements. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tool reviews, safety guides, and industry tips. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update, and let us know in the comments, what's your go-to ladder brand or type for work?